Good afternoon, students. I welcome you all to our session of robotics. So I know today all of you are very excited as we are going to start our first program in Plasmo software. So there are mainly 7 main components in the Plasmo kit. The first one is light, then display, then motion, music, color, distance, and then motors. So these 7 elements can be divided into 2 categories: input devices or output devices. So input devices, sensors are generally called as input devices because they give some kind of command to the robot or some kind of information to the robot to act accordingly. So color sensor, distance sensor, and motion sensor comes under input devices, and motors, display, light, and music element comes under output devices. So now our first project, we are going to start with by making a smart light. How this light be smart? So actually this light is going to change its color on its own. So we are going to use light element for the same, right? So light element is an output device, right? So this element will change its color from red, blue, yellow, pink, green, and white, right? So as you have to write the program will look like this. So when the program starts, turn the light on, and the light color should be red, then blue, then yellow, then pink, green, and white. So here, now we will try the things in the Plasmo software. Yes, so now in Plasmo, as I already told you, you have to create new project. So create new project, we can go ahead. So it's going to our first project. So we can write here first project. So the main objective is to make a color changing light, right? So now description you can avoid or you can write if you want, but today I'm skipping it, right? So create. So in creating, if we go, now we have to use what? We have to use a light element. So light element is here, right? So now, what was the first command I should have shown you in the PPT? First, we have to start the program. So when the program starts, turn the light on as red. And then again, we'll go to the component elements, turn the light green. Done. So next is again light, turn the light. You can choose any color, blue. Then again light, then yellow, for example, right? Actually, you can use any color. For example, if I click here, it is coming white, it is coming blue, purple, anything else, right? So I'm taking here yellow. So now next step is to check whether we have written the right program or not, right? So now we will go to simulator. Simulator mein, as I told you, we have to add the element. So we are using the light element and we are going to add it. Second thing is now the name of this. So name here is SimLight. SimLight we have to select. You can change the name also if you want. SimLight. So now let us check the execution. Again, did you notice anything else? We are not able to see the colors properly. So what thing we have done wrong here? What is wrong here in this program? Yes, we have not given the timings. So from where we'll give the timings? From the controls. So timing. That means the light should wait for 1 minute so that we can see it. Timing. Fine. Now let us check whether it is working. Yes, perfectly. Red, green, blue, and yellow. But again it is off now. Now what to do when we have to repeat the things? We generally use what? Loop. Yes, right. So we are going to take forever. Yes. Now let us check again. So it's red, blue, red, green, blue, yellow. Again red, green, blue, yellow. So our software part is done. Now I'm going to show you a small demo of the same. Fine.
So here comes the hardware part of the Plasmo kit. As I have shown you in the PPT also, there are almost seven elements: music, color, motion, distance, light, 2 motors and 1 display. So this is a magnetic pad. You can see here, if I am doing this and this, the elements are not moving. And how they are getting charged? There are 2 golden dots here, and here also on the pad there are 2 golden dots. When these 2 overlap, then the charging gets started. Fine. And this pad is also getting charged when you connect it with the USB cable. So here, if you notice, all the elements are having some blue light blinking in them. That means they are in active mode. But if you see here in the display, no light is coming. That means it is in the sleep mode. So one unique thing about this is that whenever we are not using these elements, then they go in the sleep mode automatically. And the one more important thing is motors. That is, motors are also getting charged by this magnetic pad. So here comes now our activity. Today in our activity we have done a smart light. So using a cardboard, I have made a lamp, cardboard lamp. So now if I am keeping my element here, light element here, and I am going to execute the program. So see here, blue, yellow, red, green. Again blue, yellow, red and green. So is it looking nice? Yes, I hope you like this a lot. So today we have used one output device, that is light element. So next week we are going to use 2 or 3 elements. So let it be a surprise for you. I hope you will wait for that. Thank you.